Okay guys, we have the article here. It's one I borrowed from one of the students. It's a pretty good job. We'll work on the formatting later about paragraphs, but we need to teach you how to insert a bibliography. And bibliography is where you find your sources. And so we're going to go to the end of the article. We're going to insert a hard page break. And what a hard page break does, you can keep typing and the next page stays where it's at. It'll stay at the top. But when you have to get to a new page, it'll give you a new page. It'll automatically move that page to a new page. So you'll always have space to type, but it'll always be at the top when you need it. So go to Insert, Break, Page Break. You can tell it's here. We went from here to here, and we can keep typing. And we want to do a bibliography. It should be capitalized. Do that here. And it should be centered. Let's pull it up to the top so we can see it better. So now we're centered and 2 spaces down and go back to left justification. Now, we're talking about swimming, and so I went and did some search, and well, I'm not sure if this student is swimming for a high school team. The South Carolina High School League does have swimming as a sport. And so I went and found the rules and regulations, and it's page 9. So scroll down, click down to page 9, and 2022-2023 championship swimming excuse me, is October 7th and 8th. So we're going to use this. I'll go back to the showed you the other day. The proper format is author's last name, first initial, the date in parentheses, title of the web page, italics, name of the website, and URL. Well, we don't have an author, but so the title's going to come first. So we'll go back here and get the title of the web page, and it's 2022-23 rules and regulations. Right click, copy. And I want to go in here and I want to paste without formatting. Right click. It's there. But remember, the title is italicized. So I'm going to highlight it. Just select that part, italicize it. Then come back and we're going to do the date. And it starts with it's in parentheses. So do my first parentheses and we go back. The date's July 10th, but it was updated September 7th, 2022. So this is the date we're going to use. So go back, 2022, comma, September 7th. And I've got to learn capitalize and close the parentheses, period. Go back. So we got the title, the name of the website. Let's go back, and it's South Carolina High School League is the name of the website, and it's not going to let me copy it. So High School League, period, with a URL. So go back to the website, and this is my URL. I right click, copy, bibliography. I'm going to paste. Now, bibliographies have a hanging indent. So I'm going to come up here, select all, go to Format, Lines and Paragraph Spacing. Actually, it's Align and Indent. I'm going to come down to Indent Options. Special Indent will be hanging. I'm going to apply, hit enter, and now this is what a bibliography source looks like. Now, if you got numbers, they usually go first in numerical order from low to high, and then you go in alphabetical order for any authors, any other names and stuff like that. So make sure you insert a hard page break where this will always be at the top. And I'll show you, I can just hit enter a couple of times. Now, I've gone down, but it's still at the top. That's what a hard page break does. Use this to record your sources. If you got any issues, go back to it. Thanks.